National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for Benton County, Lynn County, southwestern Buchanan County until 12:45 p.m. Saturday. At 6:40 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Benton and Buchanan counties moving southeast into Lynn County. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen across Benton and southern Buchanan counties. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 4 inches are possible in the Warren area, especially in Lynn County and the Cedar Rapids metro area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cedar Rapids, Vinton, Marion, Hiawatha, Mount Vernon, Robbins, Jessup, Center Point, Fairfax, Ely, Atkins, Walford, Urbana, Central City, Springville, Palo, Shellsburg, Newhall, Walker, and Van Horn. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 12 and 55. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Benton, and Lynn.